Kahit may sakit si Chris Aquino, controversial pa rin ang kanyang love life. Sa totoo lang, parang Katnil o Kinsey lang. Tuloy ang drama sa totoong buhay ng relasyon nila ni Batangas Vice Governor Mark Levesque. Matapos ngang ilantad ni Chris na wala na sila ng politiko dahil nakipag-break siya. Nag-post naman si Mark na nasa bahay ni Chris sa US ang kanyang ina at anak na si Ronin sa kasalukuyan. I am very excited for Ronin and Mama to spend time with the Queen at her new home, and I'm glad also that Sito is reunited with Kuya Jos and Bim. Love, love, love. Thank you, Lord. Bahagi ng post ni Vice Governor Mark Levesque. Mabilis ang reaksyon ng fans. Tuwang-tuwa sila na hindi naman pala sila hiwalay. Pero kinontra ito ni Chris. Misleading daw. Burado na ang post at reply ni Chris. Pero ang daming naka-screenshot. Itinama ni Chris reaksyon ng fans base sa post ng Vice Governor Mark na tumalak pa raw sa kanya. I'm sorry. I know this isn't my feed. But you are misleading people. Our children should not be collateral damage because I choose to end our relationship. They have always treated me kindly and I must commend you because Ronin is not only intelligent but he is responsible and compassionate. I am looking forward to meeting your mom. Mark, we shared beautiful memories and if only for that and my decision to stay private because what's done is done. Patuloy pa niya. I remain grateful for all the time you spent trying to keep me company, but I reached my end point November 3, 2023. Pero ang hula ng mga nakakilala kay Chris, magkakabalikan din sila papunta ni Mark sa Amerika. Hindi na raw ito kailangan ng bulang kristal.